Alright guys, we're back with another iPhone 16 Pro video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a measurement app or feature or widget, whatever you want to call it. So usually for this iPhone 16 Pro, you're going to want to go to Utilities and you'll see Measurement. So once you get to Measurement, I'm going to see you see this in front of me. It's actually a heater, and we're just going to use this as a test. So I'm going to go ahead, go to one edge and push the plus. And then now you're going to see that I can draw a line. And I'm sorry you can't see right here. Let me move this over for you. So then I'm going to go to the other end. And obviously this isn't exact, but look, it basically shows me how long this is. Now this isn't exactly accurate, but from my tests earlier, it is pretty close. So this said that it's this says that it's 3 feet 9 inches, and yeah, it's about 4 feet. About 4 feet, maybe a little bit. Might be off a couple inches because I didn't even do this pretty precise. But yeah, this is a really cool little feature. I highly recommend messing around with it. I think it's quite cool. Now, when you're out, you can go ahead and use it. And just to show you again how this works is that all you have to do is go to one point, push plus, and then say, I want to go down and see how tall this thing is. And it will show me. It says it's 8 inches. So let's see if I can show you guys. Sorry, this video is so messy, but it actually does look like 8 inches to me. It looks like 8 inches. Yeah. All right, there we go. I don't have a ruler, but this is 8 inches, and I think it's pretty accurate. Anyways, try this new feature out, this measurement tool. Really cool. Using some technology, you know, I don't know what exact technology they're using, but it's pretty accurate. It's good enough, you know what I mean? Try this at home. Please like or comment below with your experience. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.